Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are doing well. Today we are doing our new Oxford Modern English Reader page number 11, which is an activity page. Okay students, now we are going to do our activity page number 11. In this, the first activity is write. We have to write A in the first line. There, as you see, there are dots in the first line. You have just join all these dots and make A. We start with the red dot and join all the dots carefully and make A. Okay. Then complete the whole line. Then move to the next line. You know this letter is a grass letter. It comes in the middle two lines. So start from here. Now we have to write without dots. Start from the second line. Make a half circle. Go to the top. When it joins the starting point, then take it to the second line and then take a small curve. Okay, that is how we write A, and then complete the whole line. You have to write the A without dots in this line. The second activity is to circle A. There are, as you see, there is a box, a yellow box in which there are jumble words. Alphabets are written on, different alphabets are written in this box. You have to find out A and circle them. One is done for you. As you see, there are a red circle around the A. Now start from here. Whenever you see an A, you have to circle it. Is this A? No, this is F. This is A? Yes, this is A. We find one A. Okay, now circle the A. Next move to the next line. It's G. Yes, we find another A. Now circle this one. Then complete the whole box and find out how many A's you find in the bowl. Next, we have to write B. Similarly, the first one line is the dotted line in which dots are given to you. You have just complete the dotted lines. Start from here, the first dot or red dot, you have to make the first straight line, then back to the line and make the half circle. As you know, this is the sky letter we have learned earlier. It is a sky letter, or it comes in the three lines. Then complete the whole line. Next line you have to write without dots. Start from the first line. You have to write straight line. Yes, if the straight line comes in three lines, then you have to make a half circle in the middle two lines. That is how we write B. Then complete the whole line. Next activity is write A or B in the correct box. We have learned so many words that start with the letter A and B. Now there are some pictures which you have to recognize from which letter they start. First picture is this. What is this? Can you see? What is this? Yes, this is a box. From which alphabet it starts? Yes, it starts from B. B, box. B, box. Now write down B in this square. Make a straight line and make a half circle. That is how we write B in the box. Now move to the next picture. What is this? Yes, it is a yummy red apple. From which letter this apple is start? Yes, it starts from A. Apple. Apple. Now we have write A in the square. Make a half circle and then make it tail. Now move to the next picture. What is this? Yes, it is a bag. From which letter it starts? Yes, the first letter is B, bag. The bag starts from the letter B. B, bag. Now write B in this square. Make straight line and then do a half circle. Yes. Now our page number 11 is completed. Now you have to open your books and do it as I suggest you.
Do practice this page and complete it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.